Here, explain what's happening here.
All right, so before the power inverter caught on fire, the power with the extension cord, so we're going to spray the interior of this thing. I think my paint's a little too thick, but it's going to have to do for this first batch.
What's that orange thing up there?
That's the vents. There's 4 vents in it now.
Oh, really? How come it's
There's
orange?
a vent. Well, it's just the light coming through.
Oh, okay, look at that.
But there's 4 vents. There's a vent there, a vent there, and a vent there.
Oh.
A lot of people put bigger vents in it, so maybe I'll have to put some vents in it. I didn't think it'd be this warm in here, considering it's, you know, in the 30s outside.
It's warm in here.
It's crazy how warm it is.
Absolutely.
Unexpected.
Uh-huh.
Unexpectedly warm. So. Come a little closer, maybe. A little closer, I think. Heavy, right? Yeah. Good now. I wonder if it was really thick before. That seems to be coming out better. This is my water. I'll show you this mixing process we've been doing here. Water, buddy.
Yep. Here you go.
Dumping an unspecified amount of water in there. Now we're gonna mix it up. Yes, that's a kitchen, whatever those things are called. All right, so I ran out of daylight. So we got the vehicle headlights on in here, illuminating what we did. So we painted about 60% of this thing with that sprayer. And looks pretty good. Probably could use another coat. Now that it's got some light on it here, I can see there's a few spots I might have missed. But hopefully that latex, interior latex paint I had laying around worked. But definitely could probably use another quick coat. I don't know what happened up there. I think my paint got too watery in the end or something. I'm not sure. Anyway, well that's it. That's the interior of a shipping container that's 60% painted. So, hope you enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching. Let me know if you think this was a good idea or a bad idea, but it's done, so I guess it doesn't really matter. All right, thanks.